So hi everyone. Today we can see online employee booking system for building construction. So basically in this we used Python Flask and MySQL, the React plus Vite with Tailwind. So in this four roles are there like client, manager, and admin, and another one is like employee. So in this basically how it will be work. So, clients will be requested to the manager like we need like this type of building need, then manager will be assigned the employee for work. The time notification will be go to employee, then they can see the location with which address like. So now we can see in coding part. So this is the coding. So we have backend. This the app.py is like main code. So we created the database and tables and all. And then we have some routing also. Then functionalities also is running. So we have front end, and front end we have created the components, layouts, pages, and multiple things are there. Now we'll see output. So this is the home page of online employee booking system for building construction. In this we can create the account. So whenever the creating the accounts, it will be stored in database. So in this four type of roles there, it's a role based on role, it will be stored in MySQL. So this is our MySQL database. In this four type of tables here, it's, if we create users, it will be stored in users table. Then clients will be give the request this area like it will be they will create. Then after that it will be stored in bookings. Then after manager will be create the this bookings will create project. So we have this much like we have this type of project. So we are going to do like the if possible means they will take and active projects or completed status also we can manage. Then after creation the project, then manager will be assigned the tasks to employees. So already created the all accounts. Now we will see in login. So first of all we will check in admin side. If we login, it will be directly go to role based authentication will be happen. So it is the admin dashboard. So in this we can see how many users are there, how many projects, how many bookings, and how many active tasks are going, how many clients, manager, and employee, total assignments, like all things we can manage in admin dashboard. So after that, we can check how many bookings happened like that. So if we don't want, we can admin can delete the that bookings. Then he can check the all users, some based on role, some employee, client, admin, like I can see, and he can same like that. He can do delete also. In projects also he can see. So based on status, it's all projects means it should be display all projects. In this we can delete also is available. So based on status we can do filter. It's active projects and planned projects, completed projects like. So we can see the manager assigned the project. He can send, admin can also see with what are the status are going like, and he can check the location also. So if you click location button, it will be go to that location. So our current location to given location, it will be redirect. So admin side is done. Now we can see the another dashboard. So this is the employee dashboard. You can see the uh, assignments, like how many assignments I assigned the manager, like. So if he assigns anything, he can update the work is going like completed, like that he can change the status. Based on his thing, we can change the status also. He can go to the building location, he can check. If we click, it will be go to the location. Now we'll see manager dashboard. Now we'll see manager dashboard. We log in. If we log in, it will be go to manager dashboard. So it is the manager dashboard overview. So in this, he can check the bookings. So after booking, he can assign the new project. It's already we created. See, if you want, we can create new project also. Like he can do edit and he can do edit. Everything he can do manager. If he create the project, he can track like code operation he can do. So based on filter also it should be on. And he can see how many employees are there, like. So then if you want to assign any particular persons, he can do that thing. So we have to select the project, then he can choose the employee name and role and description, then start date and end date. If we create, it will be create. Then if, whenever the creation, it will be go to email for employee. Then he can track. So now this is we'll see the client dashboard. So in this we can create the new projects, like whatever projects need, clients they can create. Then after if we create, it will be go to manager, and he will be see the project. He can do means he can do approve, he can do reject, and based on thing he will do. So in this we can also edit. It's based on manager status. It will be display there our client dashboard. In this also we can do filters, as well as search also. So thank you.